Hi guys, today I'm on my balcony and we look all air conditioner on my rooftop. Okay guys, here we have the famous Daikin Perfera outdoor unit dual split. Look, now it's running because I'm using it, and here we have my Sigo Nikkei is an old Nikkei Sigo home, and it was used the last time like 7 years later. Sadly, today is abandoned, and here we can see the two new air conditioner on my rooftop. The Samsung smart inverter. The little one is the Samsung, and the big one is one Media Home, and it's the famous Idea, and it is canalized ducted, and these and these are the three little old unknown brand little air conditioner. Sadly, I don't know the brand, but I'm sure they are very similar to Gallant air conditioners with very simply indoor units like Midea. Okay guys, this is the part of rooftop, and the other units are two the two mini split of Daikin Perfera, and here we have the Mitsubishi EV Industries outdoor unit. Okay guys, see ya later.